Hello there and welcome to a new episode of VARDI VIAGGI Adventures in Iceland. One of the things you definitely want to experience when coming to Reykjavik is the restaurants and the nightlife. Today we shall have a chat and a day out in Reykjavik with Eyþór Vestmann. Let us go and meet him. Hi Eyþór, how are you?
I'm great, man. How are you?
Great. So tell us about Reykjavik. What does it have so special to offer?
Well, in Reykjavik, you can combine great outdoors with an amazing nightlife. You can go snowmobiling, you can go horseback riding, you can go see the waterfalls, then come back in the evening, go out and have an amazing time.
Yeah, that's right.
You can combine this anywhere else in the world.
No, these two things together, yeah.
Plus, I mean, we have the hotels here right in the center. We have a view over the cathedral, the old parliament, the main square. So it's a lot.
Ah, that's great.
Yeah.
So like boutique hotels just right downtown.
Right downtown.
Yeah. That's just in Reykjavik.
Yeah.
Well, then let's talk about restaurants. And for example, is there anything that one must try when coming to Reykjavik?
Well,
in particular.
It's a must. You have to try our fish and our lamb.
Yeah, why so?
I mean, they're so pure, they're so fresh, especially the lamb and the salmon. Wow. So fresh. Also, Reykjavik has an impressive number of quality restaurants, staffed with award-winning chefs. It offers more gourmet restaurants per inhabitant than any other city in the world. I personally like to go to the restaurant by the harbor. You can view over the sea, see the boats come in, just feel the sea atmosphere. Well, and alternatively, you can eat right downtown by the central square. You can also have a happy hour in a cool place up on the top floor with a stunning view of the bay, the city, and the Icelandic mountain, of course. Iceland has such a pure nature, and the products that we get, the fish, the lamb, the dairy products, are just exquisite and considered to be the finest in the world.
Wow, that's great, great, great. Then what happens after dinner?
I think I just had to show you how to have fun the Icelandic way.
All right.
So let's just finish our drinks here and let's let the evening begin.
Okay.
Cheers, buddy.
Today we started to discover some of the many faces of Reykjavik on a long weekend. Well, this is VARDI VIAGGI ends here. Thank you for watching and goodbye.